After me.
He's not going to jump it.
He's slowing down.
He's not going to make it.
He's doing a test run.
Jump it, jump it.
He's actually going to hit it.
He's going to smack it.
Holy slapping up. The truck hardly even moved.
Take it back.
He appears to have taken a bit of the car off at the front. He appears to have taken a bit of the truck off.
He's taking a bit of the truck off.
You're on there, you passenger. All good, mate? No worries at all.
Oh God, oh God, I've just run over someone.
We just shut the truck down. Get the boys to have a look at it. Oh, we're taking it easy getting off. Let us been told off. No thanks.
Let's try that again. Let's reverse it.
It's reverse, mate.
It had no engine in it.
Mick, you're on front, turn up and take some photos. You're on guard there, Chris.
Was that Vic in the truck with you?
Yeah, no wonder.
You know, I think it's 100 kg in there.
Vic's going to struggle now. The bloody steps are broken. What's he going to do? He can't get down there.